Hey there, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so excited you're here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, transforming your entire home into a bright, breezy spring farmhouse dream. If you love the warmth of shiplap walls, soft floral accents, and that golden natural light pouring through linen curtains, then this video is made for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a single design idea. Drop a comment below. I want to know, are you a wildflower kind of person or a classic white peony lover? Let's get started. Before we even step inside, let's talk about curb appeal, because your home's first hello matters. For a spring farmhouse exterior, think white or soft cream board and batten siding paired with black window frames for that classic contrast. Hang a chunky wreath made of dried cotton stems, eucalyptus, and blush peonies on a wide front door painted in a moody sage green. Line the porch steps with terracotta pots, overflowing with lavender and white tulips. Add a wooden sign with something simple and heartwarming. This is layered, lived-in beauty at its finest. Your entryway is a design handshake. It tells guests everything about your style before they even remove their shoes. Mount a rustic wooden coat rack fitted with vintage black iron hooks for coats and woven sun hats. Below it, place a slim shoe cabinet in distressed white with a cushioned bench top upholstered in a ticking stripe fabric. Hang a round arch mirror with a thin natural wood frame to bounce that spring light around. Finish with a layered jute and floral cotton mat underfoot. This space is small but mighty with personality. Step into the heart of the home, the living room. For a spring farmhouse feel, anchor the space with a slip-covered linen sofa in warm ivory, layered with throw pillows in dusty rose, sage green, and soft butter yellow. Bring in a reclaimed wood coffee table with a lower shelf to hold woven baskets. Natural light is your best friend here, so opt for sheer white linen drapes that billow softly. Add a mason jar arrangement of garden roses on the coffee table and a potted fiddle leaf fig in the corner. This is relaxed, effortless elegance. Now let's zoom into those beautiful details that take a farmhouse living room from pretty to Pinterest-worthy. Style your open shelving or mantel with a mix of ironstone pictures, stacked vintage books, small botanical prints in thin black frames, and a sprig of dried lavender tucked into a bud vase. A hand-thrown ceramic candle holder in matte white adds artisan charm. Layer your area rug. Try a flat woven cotton floral over a natural jute base. Remember the designer rule: group accessories in odd numbers and vary the height. It creates visual rhythm that feels intentional yet relaxed. Move into the dining room, and let spring truly take center stage. A long, solid oak farmhouse table with turned legs becomes the anchor. Surround it with a mix of wooden chairs and an upholstered bench in soft sage linen for that collected, curated look. Hang a statement chandelier in aged brass or wrought iron overhead. Its warm glow is everything at golden hour. For table decor, layer a bleached linen runner, mismatched white ceramic dinnerware, and a low centerpiece of fresh white ranunculus in a vintage pottery vase. This is your everyday table dressed for something special. The farmhouse kitchen is where soul meets function. Cream or soft white shaker cabinets with unlacquered brass hardware instantly set the tone. Open the upper shelves to display stacked white ironstone, glass jars of dry goods, and a small potted herb garden in terracotta. Your refrigerator, tucked in a paneled alcove, should feel seamless. Choose a counter-depth model or add cabinet panels for a built-in look. The stove area is your focal point. Frame it with a white subway tile backsplash and a simple wooden shelf above. Tuck a small countertop coffee machine in matte black on the corner, beautiful and purposeful. Small kitchen details create the biggest emotional impact. Swap out your kitchen linens for soft tea towels in soft floral and stripe patterns, blush, sage, and cream. Place a small glass vase of fresh tulips near the window above the sink. Use a wooden breadboard propped casually against the backsplash as decor between uses. Display a ceramic honey pot, a butter dish, and a small olive oil bottle in a little tray to create a charming countertop vignette. Hang copper pots if you have them. The warmth they bring is unmatched. Every corner of your kitchen deserves intention. The family room is where real life happens. Movie nights, board games, lazy Sunday afternoons. Mount your flat-screen television on a shiplap accent wall painted in soft white. Frame it with built-in shelves holding books, framed family photos, and small decorative baskets. Choose a deep, cushioned sectional in a warm oatmeal tone with a chunky knit throw draped over one arm. Ground the seating area with a large vintage-style floral rug. Place an oversized lantern on the floor beside the sofa for that effortless farmhouse touch. This room should feel like a warm hug every single time you walk in. Not every home has a dedicated office, and that's perfectly okay. The farmhouse style thrives in multifunctional spaces. Tuck a small antique writing desk in a bright corner near the window. Style the desktop with a unique wooden or marble desk clock, a small bouquet in a bud vase, and a leather-bound notebook. Add a compact vintage-inspired radio in cream or sage for ambient background music while you work. Beside it, create a reading nook with a cushioned window seat, a small woven basket of books, and a wall-mounted reading lamp. This corner is your personal sanctuary of creativity and calm. Let's linger in that reading nook for a moment, because it deserves its own spotlight. Layer the window seat cushion in a stripe or subtle floral fabric, then pile it high with a mix of textured pillows. Linen, velvet, and cotton all coexist beautifully here. Add a small side table or a wooden stool to hold your tea mug and current read. Mount a simple floating shelf above to display a trailing pothose plant, a candle, and a small ceramic figure. Use a soft, warm-toned bulb in your reading lamp to protect your eyes and keep the ambience golden and peaceful. Your bedroom should feel like stepping into a field of wildflowers, fresh, peaceful, and deeply restorative. Dress your bed in crisp white cotton percale sheets layered with a softly faded floral quilt in muted pinks and greens. Use a chunky white duvet at the foot for texture. Choose a bed frame in white painted wood with simple spindle details or a warm natural rattan headboard. On your nightstands, a mix of mismatched but coordinated pieces works beautifully. Place a small bud vase with a single garden rose, a ceramic lamp, and a stack of books. Spring mornings were made for a room like this. Bedroom details in a spring farmhouse home are all about softness layered on softness. Hang a piece of simple botanical wall art above the dresser or use a vintage window frame as a decorative accent. Drape a lightweight cotton throw in a soft sage or blush tone at the foot of the bed. Place a small wooden tray on the dresser to corral your perfumes and a tiny floral arrangement. Add a vintage-style wall hook near the closet to hang tomorrow's outfit or a linen robe. Keep the color palette consistent: ivory, blush, sage, and warm wood tones, and the space will feel like pure, curated poetry. A spring farmhouse bathroom feels like stepping into a country spa. For the shower area, white subway tile with dark grout creates timeless contrast. Hang a simple wooden shelf inside to hold apothecary bottles in amber glass. At the vanity, your wastafel or sink basin, choose a vessel sink in white ceramic set on a reclaimed wood or painted white vanity cabinet. Add a framed shiplap-style mirror and an unlacquered brass faucet. Hang fresh eucalyptus from the shower head for a spa-like scent. Roll white and blush towels in a wire or wooden basket. This bathroom is small space styling at its absolute best. I know. The garage often gets forgotten. But in a true farmhouse home, even the garage gets a little love. Paint the walls in a warm white or soft grayish and install pegboards or open wooden shelving for tools and garden supplies. Everything in its place and easy to find. Use galvanized metal bins and labeled wooden crates for storage. Hang an old door or wooden barn panel as a decorative backdrop to one wall. Add a small chalkboard for notes and a utilitarian lantern pendant overhead. Even a couple of terracotta pots waiting for planting season make this space feel intentional and charming. Your farmhouse patio is your outdoor living room, and spring is the season to make it absolutely magical. Use a mix of weather-resistant teak or acacia furniture with cushions in faded floral or ticking stripe outdoor fabric. A hanging macrame chair in one corner adds whimsical farmhouse charm. String warm Edison bulb lights across the overhead pergola. They're dreamy at twilight. Place terracotta pots of lavender, geraniums, and trailing ivy along the edges. A wooden crate repurposed as a side table, a galvanized lantern, and a chunky woven outdoor rug complete the picture. Outdoor spring living has never looked this effortless. Consistency is the secret to a home that flows beautifully from room to room. Start with a unified color palette. For spring farmhouse, think ivory, warm white, sage green, dusty blush, and natural wood tones. Repeat textures throughout. Linen, jute, cotton, wood, and ceramic appear in every space. Don't try to make everything matchy-matchy. Instead, aim for coordinated variety, same feeling, different expressions. Invest in a few quality statement pieces like a solid wood dining table or a handmade ceramic vase, and let budget-friendly thrifted finds fill in the gaps. Layer lighting at multiple heights, overhead, table, and floor, for warmth and dimension. Let's take a moment to really understand farmhouse design as a style philosophy, not just a look. At its core, farmhouse design celebrates the beauty of imperfection, a concept known in design as wabi-sabi. It honors natural materials, handcrafted details, and items that tell a story. It's the opposite of sterile minimalism. Spring farmhouse specifically layers in the lightness of the season, florals, fresh greens, and that beautiful quality of light. Furniture choices lean toward heirloom-feeling pieces, turned legs, spindle details, vintage-inspired silhouettes. The key is authenticity. Your home should feel collected over time, not assembled overnight. That lived-in quality is what makes farmhouse so enduring. One of the greatest joys of farmhouse style is how effortlessly it transitions through seasons. The bones of your design, the shiplap, the wood furniture, the linen fabrics, stay consistent year-round. What changes are the seasonal layers. In spring, fresh florals, soft pastels, and linen throws. Summer brings bright white, natural rattan, and coastal touches. Autumn swaps in warm rust tones, plaid, and dried botanicals. Winter wraps everything in cozy wool, candles, and evergreen. This is what makes farmhouse design the most livable and adaptable aesthetic of them all. Your home is a living thing. Let it change with the seasons. And there you have it, friend. A full walkthrough of a bright spring farmhouse home from the facade all the way to the patio, and every beautiful corner in between. I hope this video sparked some serious design inspiration and left you feeling excited to bring a little spring magic into your own space. Remember, you don't need a big budget or a big house. You just need intention, creativity, and a little design know-how. If this video brought you even one idea that you love, please give it a thumbs up. It truly means the world to me. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration, and leave me a comment telling me which room you're starting with first. I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!